Powers of attorney are usually split into two topics: healthcare powers of attorney and financial powers of attorney. Financial powers of attorney are critical. In my private practice, I would constantly tell my clients the most critical document, if you only had a little money to spend on your estate plan, above all else, get a power of attorney in place. What is a power of attorney and why is it so important? If you were to ever become incapacitated and could not speak on your behalf, you would need somebody who could do that for you. If you became incapacitated and you did not have a financial power of attorney in place, your next of kin or family would have to go to the court system to get appointed your legal guardian and conservator to make decisions for you. I had a number of clients in my day who didn't have one in place. We had to go to court over the littlest things like renewing car insurance or renewing a certificate of deposit at the bank. These little things that cannot be done if you do not have mental capacity. For this purpose, a general power of attorney is so critical to have in place before you lose capacity. This cannot be done after the fact. Powers of attorney can be tricky. Out there in private practice, you'll notice that a lot of banks and financial institutions do not honor general powers of attorney if they are getting old, whereas other documents don't necessarily go bad just because they're old. We are seeing a lot of institutions out there that are turning away and refusing powers of attorney if they are older. For that reason, this is a critical document above all these documents to make sure they are up to date and revised often, to make sure that the proper provisions are in there. So general powers of attorney are critical to have in place. If you have just the time to do one document, this is the one I would get in place to make sure that you are safely moving through your life, and if you ever became incapacitated, that somebody could speak on your behalf. One last note about powers of attorney: we get a lot of clients saying, I don't need an estate plan because I have a power of attorney. And when my mom dies, I'll just take that power of attorney to the bank and I'll take it to my financial advisor and I can get access to my mom's assets that way. Please be warned, powers of attorney do not work once the person dies. I jokingly would tell my clients that a power of attorney doesn't work for a person that doesn't exist anymore. You can't be an agent for someone that doesn't exist. So make sure these are in place long before an accident happens, long before any mental capacity issues fall in place, and make sure that this is only one component to your estate plan. A power of attorney is only half of the solution. The other half is making sure that your will and trust is in place. So make sure that you have that as you prepare your general power of attorney.